you doing?
It was more work.
Exit regret, right? Yep, he's exit regretting. He is regretting exiting, and he's getting back on the 590. He's going to Seabreeze. Yeah, we're not going downtown or Vector. Fuck those places. We're going to Seabreeze. Yeah, you got one car ahead. Good job. Your country's proud of you. Oh, shit! Really? Look where you're merging!
And so basically what they were going to do was they were going to have a bus that went
around
the city, and I guess it might have been to certain pickup spots where people knew.
Analysis of everything that all the pros and cons, and then I'll make a wise and informed decision. Bullshit. Most of us just
red light run, red light run, red light run. I probably already sang the song. Yeah, I already did sing the song. Whatever. If we're in Connecticut, no trucks in the left lane. No, you cannot be there. If we exit dive. I was singing the stupid song, but it's an exit dive. Oh well.
Seal him once, shame on him. And so what's really planning is always asking to learn the face of the
What's that guy doing?
People does have no idea, and they've let the dog.
Did he see ghosts?
You have to be who the fuck we actually are. Uninhibited.
Really, dude?
Uninhibited by control.
Toyo tart.
Until that changes, nothing will change. Okay?
Like the absolute best possible case.
No, stop.
How precise cell-phone data is around 60.
Authorities. So if your only argument or your main argument is an argument of authority, you don't really have an argument.
Red light run.
You talked about the rivers.
Yeah.
But wow, but imagine. Look, we don't know the reasons why the family of the victim did not decided that $1 million was insufficient, and they would rather just see this.
Oh, but I'm sure yin, but I'm sure yin, but I'm dum sure yin.
Really, what they decided.
Over the line! You gotta stay in your own side until the traffic passes. Over the line! Seriously?
Is it real? Please tell me that two fucking TV stars are not running this country right now. Please
Red light run, red light run, red light run. Why am I singing this song so often? I don't get it. No stop!
And like, you know, her kind of maturing process from infant to toddler.
Red light run.
And I talked about how cities grow this like
It's a red light runner. It's a red light runner. Oh well.
People get hurt even worse, and they need us now more than ever. I mean,
red light run. Red light run. Red light run. Really? There's no U-turn at that intersection. Just so you know, Nissan driver. Red light run. Red light, run.
Hearing me. I'm amazed and struck and a little bit amused because one
No stop.
so decisively. I had some people who were
Red light, run.
Franklin's is in the pressure cooker this week.
You got it, but not.
And
Look.
to you guys when it's because I'm quite superstitious.
The owner what a superstar he was by like bribing people to chant Kaiser, Kaiser during like public practices and
Really?
shit.
What the
Like,
hell?
So it might seem like a guy grabbing his ankle in fake pain and then getting a big final tribute he would have launched about. Big cancer, frenzy that set a new record
Nope.
for the drop. He was responsible for his mistakes. PP flew to New York.
Really? The car right there, dude. Big, huge space behind him. You can go there. Go there.
After passing through the girl and grandson, Dante, who was handsome but imperious for a boy the same age as Grom.
Nice cut off.
PP always had to repel Bobby Vance's actress advances with a witty remark that left no ill feelings. Eli Marion had given up sex.
What the fuck are you doing?
It was more work than fun, since he was nearly impotent. When he invited Claude...
Sandy was a stray dog who had been scheduled to be put down. Until a talent scout named Bill saw Sandy's cage, fell in love with Sandy's face, bought Sandy... And that is a true story.
TrueStoriesPodcast.com.
Where are you going? What are you doing? Go back to Canada. Canadian Elon doesn't know what he's doing. What the fuck? Oh, he's doing more dumb shit around the corner there too. Nice cut off. No turn on red. You should have waited like 2 seconds. You wouldn't have been in the video. Oh, well, sucks to be you. You're in the video anyways because, well, you kind of have to be. Because I have to nitpick everything because I have no life or something. That's what the trolls tell me.
Check out the all-new compact exclusively available.
No stop.
NBA same-game parlay and receive a pop.
The child had found a huge egg, as big as a bowl.
Red light, Ron.
With vivid reds and blues. Claudia's relationship with Athena was a true intimacy, not the professional.
No stop.